Hello and welcome to Code Quest with Eva. Today is day 29 of my 180-day quest to becoming a front-end developer. Let's dive straight into self-study. And I'm doing this session hopefully to solidify my learning and help me get better at technical communication. That's a very important skill. So here's what I learned today in my course: assessing and editing DOM elements. And there are some bits that I've already been using and some bits that are new to me, and I want to share that with you. So in my HTML document, I have a H1 element and I'm assessing it here and saving it into this constant called heading. And as you can see, it's empty. There's nothing in the HTML element yet. Now using text content, and this is very popular, I'm going to be setting a text into the heading element. And now we have the text hello from here, and that is using the text content property. Now this is very popular. I use it all the time. Moving on to method 2, let me close that. Okay, moving on to method 2, using inner HTML property. And using inner HTML property, you can retrieve and set HTML elements. And here I'm setting the strong HTML elements, and that is what inner HTML is used for. I've never used it before because I was unfamiliar with how it works. So I'm happy to have learned how to use it now and its purpose. So it's used only to set and retrieve HTML elements and not to set text content. So if you use it to set text content, you might be introducing a security vulnerability. So that's what inner HTML is used for. And finally, using the DOM API method to create nodes, I'm creating, so let me just uncomment this out. Okay, so in the first line, I'm creating a paragraph element using create element, and I'm saving that in a constant paragraph. Oops. I'm saving that in a constant paragraph. Here we go again. I'm saving that in a constant paragraph. In the second line, I'm setting its text content. I have to stop doing that, seriously. I'm setting its text content to happy to see you. And finally, I'm appending it to the existing heading element. And this will result in the H1 element, the heading element, having a paragraph text inside. So text content is used to set text. Inner HTML is used to retrieve and set HTML elements. And DOM API is used to create new new node elements. The difference is that inner HTML, you're asking the browser to create the element for you, and using the method 3, you're creating it manually yourself. And so this distinction is very important to note. For Women Texters update, today was our soft skills training. We learned about work ethics, concepts such as reliability, professionalism, time management, and productivity. And the session was really packed, really insightful. I'm so grateful to have been part of it. See you on Monday for day 30.